Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tibfox. Good to have you here. And as you can see, I'm not the sporty guy, but I got a 360 cam. Woohoo! I bought the GoPro Max recently because I want to record the location for the DTube forum, and I asked a lot of people online, but nobody wanted to borrow me their 360 cam, and so I thought, okay, just buy it and give it back later after recording. That could be possible, but I think this camera will be my one and only vlogging camera soon, because I can walk around the cam. And it is so much handier to record, just to record and talk to the camera like this, but you don't need to worry about the angles and so on, because you can edit everything in post. Yeah, so recently I decided to research for 360 cams, and I was like, Insta360 One X or the GoPro Max. And the GoPro Max is much more expensive, but got this awesome microphones in 3 directions. And this is pretty cool, because you don't need to worry anymore about the sound and so on. Bitcoins also bought this cam, and he kind of convinced me to pay those additional $100. You know. Yeah. This is my room here. Actually, I don't think you saw this room in this perspective and this fullness. Right there, I am editing a video for DTube Forum. The lovely Priyanark gave me a Bengali version of the announcement. This will come up tomorrow or today, I don't know. And yeah, so this is also my streaming setup with the softbox and the microphone and the webcam and the dual monitor for editing, which is really handy to edit. And there is also my new 3D printer. Yeah, so I can show you something here, just way closer. I hope the camera will get this. This is a character from Overwatch called Hammond. Promise I will do more stuff related to 3D printing soon. But for now, too much things on the table. Yeah, so please let me know how you think this video is looking and the sound is sounding. I'm really excited about this camera and all the possibilities to record, for example, Clean Planet walks, much cooler and more exciting, and to do tiny planet photos and videos as well, to push my Instagram hustle a bit more. And yeah, so this is basically just, it was my test here. I am really excited about those camera. Because I can do action stuff without pointing the camera on myself. Woo! This is crazy. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your subscription. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your subscription. Thanks for your comment as well. I'm really excited for your suggestions, what I could record with this camera. And if you have this camera too, you could give me some suggestions what I can improve, of course. And yeah, like I said, thanks for watching and see you next time.